Make this Diwali unforgettable with our unique upcycling service. Turn your trash into treasure and light up your festivities with a touch of creativity and sustainability. By artist where tradition meets innovation. Got empty glass bottles lying around? Don't toss them out. Bring your bottles to our studio in VADODARA or take advantage of our pickup and drop-off service right at your doorstep. Remember, a minimum of 10 bottles are required for pickup and drop-off service. But how much will it cost? You ask. Well, it depends on the glass thickness and design you desire. But wait, we've got great news for you. Our prices start at just 70 rupees and we can customize them to match your style and budget. So, why let those bottles gather dust when we can work our magic and turn them into stunning pieces that will shine in your home? This Diwali, let's celebrate tradition and innovation together. Don't miss out on the chance to make this Diwali truly enlightened. Contact us now and let the upcycling begin. Contact us at 9227105490.